4 here is, what measures would you take to prevent waterborne diseases? Okay, let's just have a glimpse of what are waterborne diseases. Diseases that occur due to impurities present in the water. So keep the water clean, sterilization, sanitization, warming of the water, that's all. And what you're supposed to write is something similar. Waterborne diseases can be prevented by use of clean drinking water, periodic cleaning and disinfectation of water tanks and reservoirs. That's it. We're done. Clean drinking water and periodic cleaning and disinfectation of water tanks and reservoirs. Easy, right?